Okay, we're off to park.
So you're not going to run the circuit to hook it to the panel on 2 separate days because you're going to pay 2 days of full labor rate.
Our MEP rough and inspection this week.
He changed it to Friday so that what could be done this week.
Okay, it's
before
done.
that is done.
Okay. Does our sign look like it's leaning a little bit backwards?
It does.
Look at that mold
What?
in the window.
Yeah, it's all mildewy.
It's cold. Yeah. Oh my God. Why is this open?
Good question. No, it's not. This is the electrician stuff, I think.
Here's the thing. It's a big kitchen. It's a lot of cabinetry. Yeah, there's a banquette.
Pantry, cabinets come all the way down.
And across, and then it's uppers all the way across too.
And then there's a
There's that big shoe storage,
shoe closet. Yeah.
plus the 3 bathrooms.
It came in way under.
So what do you think it is?
But the only other way to do it, come in at that budget, is the boxes have to be, then you're within the budget.
Okay.
Build all those custom boxes, you're gonna exceed the budget. It's not even the materials, it's just the sheer labor of building them. There's a difference when you have an assembly line process and jigs and things set up where you can do it, and then you're doing all of it by hand.
So if we end up doing it by hand and have Luciano do it, if it ends up like that, what we were thinking was no subs are allowed in this space, double zip wall, and fabricate in this space. Get the windows up, drywall, prime, first coat of paint, and then work in here and turn it into like the clean room.
I'd prime, I would not paint. It does not look like, maybe it's the lighting.
Is it gray?
No, it's
White?
the color from Casey's house.
It is cold up in here. Top floor. We're waiting for our windows. This is the primary suite. Yeah, it's huge. So this is the bedroom. They'll have some kind of armoire here or something, some art, a full-length mirror. This is their closet, which is baller. It extends into there. This is their bathroom. Yeah, it's gonna be a stunning bathroom. I have a floating vanity here, within a floating marble shelf, or not marble, but stone shelf. And these beautiful mirrors with these like very ornate sculptural looking sconces, which are being made in Italy. That's the toilet, and then there's gonna be a built-in there. And then the tub goes here, and the spout for the tub is actually in the shower wall. There's a door to the balcony over there, and this is the shower. So they got a little balcony over here. It overlooks, this right here is actually a window. And so it's a big picture window which looks out onto the deck, and they've got a beautiful, beautiful tree, so like you'll be able to see it. This is gonna be an incredible, incredible space.
And that is the nicest, neatest plumbing you will ever see done anywhere. Cares about his work. He polishes the pipe before he joins it.
I love him for that.
Like the ceiling, what you'll see is that we sistered most of the joists, and that was to actually hold the house up and level the ceiling, and the same thing had to be done to the floor. So like the amount of framing, restoration that went into this house is amazing.
Yeah, there was a lot of structural work required that was not part of the initial plans. And we had anticipated a certain amount above it, but to get houses like this to have like level floors, actual level ceilings, it's a huge amount of additional work.
Because these houses tend to settle unevenly.
Yeah.
So the ceilings and the floors are all creaky and slanted.
And some of them are like several additions. This one actually, this is all one structure, but the addition makes it a little more challenging because of settlement.
And while we did the first 2 floors, if you look over at the stairs over there, because we're not touching them, you can see where the house was leaning at one time, right? And where now it's all level on everything we've touched. So I mean, just getting the house to be level is really quite a challenge.
Everything actually needs to be out. Nothing can be here. And if you leave anything here, it's at your own risk. We don't clean upholstery in the future. We should have covered their upholstery. We actually should have done a better job.
Drywall dust and stuff like that is so fine, brick dust.
Yeah, it's just still like the effort. We should have put a zip wall in that doorway. The zip wall downstairs, everyone from Cann should be like, they see it, it's resolved. Okay, so that's it here.
If you look up, here's the other really neat work. look at how neat the ducts are insulated. All of the ductwork is really done
tight.
to perfection.
It's good though. He does a good job, and he cares.
Yeah, and this is all metal ductwork insulated inside of sleeves duct. So it's like really, the house will be cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter. It's like really well done, really tight.
Cool. Did they move this in?
No,
They need
it's just
to.
temporarily positioned.
Okay.
All of our plumbing walls are 2x6, and then we actually extend them out so that none of the plumbing is on the edges. It's all centered, and the walls they maintain their structural integrity. It's not really an industry practice.
And the reason for that, because you can see where we didn't do it, is on a 2x4 wall where you have waste and supply, it's super tight and there's not a lot of space. And then you have shitty things like this done, which we don't like. We don't like half-eaten studs because they lose their structural stability and rigidity.
I had to open that up to run new ductwork into this room.
At least it's drywall. Okay. Why is there a gap? Is that a pocket door?
Yes.
Damn, it is cold as a mother in here. What people don't realize is that empty, vacant homes are colder inside than they are outside. Do you want me to take a measurement and you can take the photo?
Just hold.
Aren't we also doing these too? Don't you have Face ID?
No. You've given your identity over.
Says the military man. Not like this.
No.
No.
Because the other ones were measured from the bottom. The measurements have to match.
It's like when you get x-rays. Whew, it's cold. Next time you come here, we'll have windows and we'll have drywall and it'll be magical. It must be so fun being a baby. Look, look at that baby. That baby's like in a little snowsuit. It's cozy. It's probably asleep. They got a great life.
Babies and dogs. Dog belongs to a good owner.
Yeah.
Get fed well, now you get farmer's food. Sleep in.
You get cute little outfits.
Everybody loves you.